kani kadai ga yo Nongstoin kabadan ha West Khasi Hills kadai ru ka wei ne gi yo ka bah ha rilum khasi bajantia bat kani kadai ka por khlam kabang I duna kibriu hendai wala kataru kibriu ki ya ki yang ki leyo lethat bat banya nujor pada bat ki we pada ki por khamduna hi ka thit ka pet bat ka jing bun briu hakilenti bat kisen kien kimar ke bakong san ki ba ngiyo ngilaban yo akayo gilong kimar ba mardi ki jan ki juti badru ki so ki pai ki jhor bat ki wede ki mar ki badan kam man kasngi bat ngilaban yo ru ki local mo ki kum ki dokha ki so bat ki wede ki jingdon kam kayo ga I thali I duna briu namar kadai kapor jong kene khlam kabalawan den shop tang ye kane ga hangni Nongstoin rai shar meghlahi brokawai bat haparthai barokawai ni sukermen ba kane khlam kan jan osendon khlam baki briu kin yo pan thir ban pet pan khai ban pateng hayo hahat halinti hasinkian kombalong barabor khang ban ye emlang ban ye shadlang bat ruban yo kum baju barabor aling ni lek ka ya kan yo Nongstoin hakapor ka ba duna brio kalong ka ba he tamba kam he kat ka yo do ngatrai ka kham bet hi ka area pada de ale perlok. This is a local market in Nongstoin, West Khasi Hills district, Meghalaya. It is during the pandemic, which we could see that less number of people are around the market. Come and join with me for a walk in this local market in Meghalaya. There are varieties of local items that we could get from the market, such as fish, mushroom, local tobacco, which we call it makaline, silkworm, and so on and so forth. So come and join with me and enjoy the market. Oke.